Okay, Cubic Transportation supplies ticketing systems for worldwide. As you can see here, we've got intelligent travel-made rail for the transport sector. We supply EMV is one of our big solutions we're providing into London at the moment, and across the world. That's one of the big systems solutions that we're providing. It's probably one of the biggest events, I think, with lots of major suppliers around the world that's attending. It's a worldwide event, I think. Do you have lots of metros and rail networks around the world? I think it gets across our message of what Cubic provide, the substantial sort of services we offer for customers, users around the world effectively.